Did you know that decimal 0.75 is 75%? If you've ever wondered how to convert a decimal into percentage, then this video is for you. Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math. I'm Shraddha, and in today's lesson we are going to quickly learn how to convert decimal into percentages, and this is the most easiest topics you will find in math. Let's get started. To convert a decimal number into percent, the first and last rule is to just multiply the number by 100. You heard that right, and that's it. And if you remember multiplying and dividing by powers of 10, MRDL, whenever I multiply by any power of 10, here I'm multiplying by 100, so I have two zeros here. So the decimal shifts 2 points towards the right. 0.75 multiplied by 100, I will get 75. And since we have converted this to percentage, the answer would be 75%. Simple. Let's take few more examples. Before we begin, let's recall the rule. Anytime I have to convert a decimal number to percent, I will just or simply multiply by 100. So let's start with example number 1. 0.08 multiplied by 100. The rule is whenever I am multiplying by any power of 10, the decimal shifts towards right depending upon the number of zeros. Since the number of zeros are 2 here, my decimal will shift 2 points towards the right, and the answer would be 8%. Next example is 23.26. I again multiply this by 100, and the answer I will get after multiplying this by 100, the decimal will shift 2 points towards the right, and I will get 2326%. Next example, I will multiply 4.5 by 100. So since I have to shift 2 points towards the right, I jump one digit and now I am out of the digits. Whenever I'm out of the digits, I will simply put more zeros so that I can make the jump. The answer is 450%. Again, the next number is 0.9. I multiply this by 100. While jumping, I'm out of the digits because I have to make two jumps. I'll put one more zero, make another jump, and the answer would be 90%. If you have any doubts here about multiplying the decimal numbers by 100, you can watch my video about multiplying decimal numbers by powers of 10, which is 10, 100, 1000. And now it's your turn to solve few questions because understanding is incomplete without practicing it yourself. Before you start solving these questions, just remember these two simple steps. Number 1, shift your decimal 2 points towards the right because we are multiplying by 100. And the last step, don't forget to put the percent symbol. I want you to pause the video here and solve these questions. If you have any doubts or questions, do mention your doubts in the comment section. Also mention your answers. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Happy learning and wish you the best.